सर, ये जो देश में रट्टा सिस्टम चलता है, जिसके तहत केवल रट्टा लगा लगा कर नंबर लाकर बच्चे पास किए जाते हैं, इससे प्रतिभा की हत्या होती है। सर, वी आर किलिंग द टैलेंट ऑफ दिस कंट्री। डॉक्टरी का एग्जाम, जिस परीक्षा में विद्यार्थी डॉक्टर बनने के लिए बैठता है, अगर उसी परीक्षा को रिग कर पैसे देकर मैनिपुलेट किया जाता है, तो हम इस देश में किस प्रकार के डॉक्टर पैदा कर रहे हैं, किस प्रकार के डॉक्टर लोगों की जान बचाएंगे? ये कहने में आज हमें कोई गुरेज नहीं होना चाहिए कि अगर यही सिस्टम चलता रहा तो मुन्ना भाई एमबीबीएस जैसे डॉक्टर बनेंगे हमारे कॉलेजों में, और मुन्ना भाई एमबीबीएस जैसे डॉक्टर्स ही हमारे अस्पतालों में काम करें। To address a crisis that strikes at the very heart of our nation, which is our deteriorating education system. Sir, this system, which was once the pride of our nation, has become a battlefield where our children fight a neck-tight competition, not for knowledge, not for entitlement, but merely for survival, sir. Sir, from a very young age, our students are thrust into a relentless, never-ending race, and the joy of learning is overshadowed by the pressure to outperform our peers. So instead of nurturing curiosity, our education system drills into them the notion that their worth will solely be measured by the marks or the grades or the ranks that they will get. Sad. So this fierce competition is not just robbing our children of their childhood, but is also driving them into despair and hopelessness. Sir, we must understand the flaws in our education system and the fact that they need urgent rectification. Sir, the intense pressure of competition is causing our children to suffer. The passion and zeal they need to achieve their dreams is turning into fear, anxiety, and uncertainty. Not just this, sir, we must also acknowledge that there is a huge gap between education and employment. As a result, sir, I have no hesitation in saying today that we are pushing our students, the future of this country, into a trap of joblessness. And this will remain until we address this gulf of difference between what the market demands and what our education system imparts. सर, ये जो देश में रट्टा सिस्टम चलता है, जिसके तहत केवल रट्टा लगा लगा कर नंबर लाकर बच्चे पास किए जाते हैं, इससे प्रतिभा की हत्या होती है। सर, वी आर किलिंग द टैलेंट ऑफ दिस कंट्री. सर, in their quest for a better future, many of our brightest minds are forced to leave the country. मैं एक ऐसे सूबे से आता हूं सर, पंजाब से, जहां हजारों लाखों की तादाद में युवा अपना सूबा छोड़कर विदेशों में जाकर छोटी छोटी नौकरियां कर रहे हैं. वो क्यों कर रहे हैं सर? Because they seek solace in foreign lands, not because they want to, but because they have to, they're compelled to, sir. Sir, India, a land that has given the world some of its greatest minds, now sees its youth risking their lives to take the dangerous donkey route to the US, the UK, Canada, and beyond. These young souls, which are full of potential and dreams, face unimaginable dangers just to escape a system that offers them no hope. Sir, the lack of opportunities here is heart-wrenching. Our education system does not align with the needs of the modern world. While we produce millions of graduates every year, the job market remains stagnant, unable to absorb this vast talent pool. As a result, sir, our youth, burdened with degrees and diplomas, wander aimlessly in search of employment, often settling for jobs far below their qualification and aspirations. Sir, what about those who dare to dream differently? Those who wish to innovate, start their own businesses, wish to become employment givers, not employment seekers. Our system offers them also no support. Aspiring entrepreneurs and startups face insurmountable challenges, from bureaucratic red tape to lack of funding. Their dreams are crushed under the weight of an indifferent system, and many give up, disheartened and defeated. So this is not just a failure of our education system, it is a failure of our society, that we have let down our children, our youth, and in doing so, our future. Let us not forget the countless lives that have been lost on this treacherous journey in search of a better future. Sir, in addition to this, I would also like to highlight that today this House carries the voice of millions of NEET aspirants who have been left heartbroken and disheartened by the recent NEET irregularities. This is not just about an examination, sir. It is about their hard work, the dream of the students, which was dedicated towards building a better India. Sir, it is a great irony that our children who dream of serving the country are falling victim to the flaws and corruption within the education system. The very system that was designed to encourage and shape their future is now shattering their labor, their hard work, their hope. So the irregularities in the NEET examination paper is not only a failure of our education system, but also a blow to the dreams of those who prepared day and night for the exam. Can we leave them abandoned? Can we leave them helpless? Do their dreams not matter? And sir, in conclusion, through this House, I would urge the government to conduct a thorough investigation into this paper leak and other irregularities and punish those who are responsible. Sir, in conclusion, अंत में बस इतना ही कहूँगा, नीट का विषय पे चर्चा हुई, अभी हमारे कांग्रेस के साथी भी बात कर रहे थे, एक बड़ी महत्वपूर्ण बात उन्होंने भी कही कि डॉक्टरी का एग्जाम, जिस परीक्षा में विद्यार्थी डॉक्टर बनने के लिए बैठता है, अगर उसी परीक्षा को रिग कर पैसे देकर मैनिपुलेट किया जाता है, तो हम इस देश में किस प्रकार के डॉक्टर पैदा कर रहे हैं, किस प्रकार के डॉक्टर लोगों की जान बचाएंगे? ये कहने में आज हमें कोई गुरेज नहीं होना चाहिए कि अगर यही सिस्टम चलता रहा तो मुन्ना भाई एमबीबीएस जैसे डॉक्टर बनेंगे हमारे कॉलेजों में और मुन्ना भाई एमबीबीएस जैसे डॉक्टर्स ही हमारे अस्पतालों में काम करें।
नेशनल दस्तक की आपसे गुजारिश है कि अगर इसको बचाना चाहते हैं तो नेशनल दस्तक को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए रेड कलर के सब्सक्राइब बटन को दबाएं, फिर बेल आइकन की घंटी दबाएं। नेशनल दस्तक को बचाने के लिए बहुत जरूरी है कि हर खबर को शेयर करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट जरूर करें।